Today I talk with the second session of alcohol, phenol and ethers. In today's topic, uh, naming reaction of alcohol, phenol and ethers. Annual examination point of view, out of these equations, 4 marks is compulsory. First I talk with the preparation of phenol from cumin process. Today's my first topic is preparation of phenol from cumin process. What is cumin? Cumin, its chemical name is isopropyl benzene. This is isopropyl benzene. Isopropyl benzene. Cumin is converted into phenol. In its side product is acetone. This is the best method because of to prepare two important organic compounds, one is phenol and one is acetone. How to prepare phenol from cumin? Every alternative are asked in 2 marks question, this in part B, otherwise question number 33B. When isopropyl benzene oxidized in presence of air, that is O2, in presence of air O2, heated at 100 to 130 degrees Celsius, to give intermediate product is cumin hydroperoxide. This is cumin hydroperoxide. Cumin hydroperoxide. Cumin hydroperoxide. You have to observe this. In between C and H, 2 oxygen atom is added. In between C and H, 2 oxygen is added here. 2 oxygen is added. This product is cumin hydroperoxide. Then it dissolves in acid hydrolysis, protonated water. Protonated water is H3O plus, heated at 100 degree to give main product phenol. Another product is acetone. Both product is important. Once again I will tell you how to prepare phenol from cumin process. When cumin is oxidized in presence of air heated at 100 to 130 degrees Celsius to give cumin hydroperoxide. Cumin hydroperoxide. In between C and H, 2O is added. Next to the acid hydrolysis, that is protonated water. Proton comes from acid, that is H3O plus, heated at 100 degree, main product is phenol, byproduct is acid. And next I talk with naming reaction of ether. Naming reaction of ether. This is the naming reaction of ether. In this, that is Williamson ether synthesis. It is also very important. Williamson ether synthesis. What is ether? Oxygen atom having divalent carbon is ether. Oxygen atom having divalent carbon. Oxygen having divalent carbon is ether. Ether is a neutral nucleophile. Ether is neutral nucleophile. Ether is 2 types, symmetric ether and unsymmetric. That is simple ether and mixed ether. Simple ether best example is dimethyl ether. Mixed ether best example is methyl ethyl ether. In IPA system, ether is named as alkoxy-alkane. For example, dimethyl ether, IPA is named methoxymethane. Ethyl methyl ether, IPA name is methoxyethane. What is Williamson ether synthesis? In this method, you have to prepare whether it is simple ether, whether it is mixed ether. What is Williamson ether synthesis? When alcoholic sodium methoxide treated with methyl iodide on heating to give dimethyl ether, dimethyl ether. Its general equation is RONA, that is sodium alkoxide. Any alkyl halide, that is R bonded R, any alkyl halide, by heating you are getting whether it is simple ether, whether it is mixed ether. Byproduct is NaI. This is general equation. You are using sodium alkoxide, whether it is sodium methoxide, sodium tertiary butoxide, you have to Ri is any alkyl halide. According to Williamson ether synthesis, I am taken sodium methoxide is treated with methyl iodide by heating to give a dimethyl ether. This is dimethyl ether. This is called as Williamson ether synthesis. Very important, 2 marks. The next one Reming reaction is, that is Kolbus reaction. Kolbus reaction. This is the reaction of phenol. How to convert phenol into salicylic acid? How to convert phenol into salicylic acid? This is phenol, OH group linked to the benzene. This is salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is 2 function group. One is phenolic OH group, one is COH group. And this COH carbon is number 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And salicylic acid also called as orthohydroxybenzoic acid. Another name is 2-hydroxybenzoic acid. Its common name is salicylic acid. Its functional group is, one is phenolic OH group, one is COH group. Its common name is salicylic acid. IUPAC name is 2-hydroxybenzoic acid. Otherwise orthohydroxybenzoic acid. Otherwise orthohydroxyphenyl methanoic acid. Phenol is converted into salicylic acid undergoes many steps. Step number 1, first phenol is converted into sodium phenoxide. This is dry. Phenol is treated with solid NaOH, converted into sodium phenoxide. Because phenol is acidic in nature, it reacts with base, converted into sodium phenoxide. This sodium phenoxide treated with carbon dioxide gas, CO2 gas. CO2 gas at 413 Kelvin. At 413 Kelvin, converted into sodium salt of salicylate. Converted into sodium salt of salicylate. Converted into sodium salt of salicylate. Sodium salt of salicylate. Sodium salt of salicylate. By adding CO2, first you are getting sodium phenyl carbonate. You are getting sodium phenyl carbonate. After adding this CO2 here, you are getting what? Sodium phenyl carbonate. Then rearrangement takes place. After rearrangement takes place, here OH comes, here is the CONA. And final treatment with what? HCl, acidification. Final treatment, acidification, to give this product loss of NaCl. Here byproduct is not mentioned, directly I have written here. What is Kolbus reaction? When phenol is treated with solid NaOH, converted into sodium phenoxide. When sodium phenoxide further treatment with carbon dioxide in presence of NaOH and HCl to give end product is salicylic acid. This step is written directly I mean. First you think by passing CO2 here, converted into disodium salicylate, and on acidification by adding what? HCl, converted to salicylic acid, loss of 2NaCl. This is called as Kolbus reaction. And next things, that is a last but one reaction, that is Reamer-Tiemann reaction. Actually this is 2 ways. Phenol is treated with chloroform, salicylaldehyde is come. In another case, phenol is treated with carbon tetrachloride, that is CCl4. Here product comes salicylic acid. Explain Riemann-Tiemann reaction. You have to write phenolic converted into salicylaldehyde. Phenolic converted into salicylaldehyde. Phenolic converted into salicylaldehyde. Your reagent is chloroform. Reagent you have to using chloroform. So instead of CHCl, you have to using CCl4. Same method. Product is here CHOE converted to COH. Salicylic acid comes. But to explain Riemann-Tiemann, I am taken best example phenolic converted into salicylaldehyde. What is salicylaldehyde? What is salicylaldehyde? It is a common name. In IUPAC system, it is orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. Orthohydro. This is number 1 and 2. Orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. Its another name is orthohydroxyphenyl-methanol. It is also called 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde. How to convert phenol into salicylaldehyde? First treatment CHCl3. Chloroform dissolve in aqueous NaOH. Here H is replaced by Na. You are getting ONA. After adding CHCl3, second carbon reaction. Here C bonded H are there. In this case, because of 3 chlorine, the 2 chlorine, 1 chlorine releasing, loss of what? HCl. Here CHCl3 is added, the intermediate compound. Because of 2 chlorine, I am adding next 2 molecule of sodium hydroxide. A loss of 2 NaCl. 2 NaCl, you are getting 2 OH comes here in this case. Because of what? Here CHOH 2 times. CHOH 2 times. Instead of 2 chlorine, 2 OH comes. CHOH 2 times. It is unstable product. It is unstable, not stable. And finally, heated. Dehydration takes place. Loss of what? Water molecule. By dehydration, you are getting sodium salt of salicylaldehyde. Sodium salt of salicylaldehyde. On acidification, to give salicylaldehyde. This is OH. This is OH. Salicylaldehyde comes. Salicylaldehyde. This is OH. Once again, I will tell you Riemann-Tiemann reaction. And phenol is first treated with NaOH, converted into sodium phenoxide. By adding CHCl3 chloroform, you are getting intermediate product. Finally treated with 2 molecules of NaOH, converted to another intermediate product. By dehydration, to give sodium salt of salicylaldehyde. On acidification, to give salicylaldehyde. This is the salicylaldehyde. The last one, that is very important, that is esterification reaction. It is what? Esterification reaction. What is esterification reaction? Ester is produced when any carbonic acid react with any class of alcohol. On acidification, converted to ester. It gives sweet smell. Esters, general formula RCOOR dash. Ester functional group is CO. Here R and R dash may be equal, simple ester. R and R dash may be different, mixed ester. When carbonic acid treated with any alcohol in presence of sulfuric acid to give ester. This is esterification reaction. Here reaction involves OH group of carbonic acid is replaced by OR dash group. And the OH hogi OR dash banta. OH of carbonic acid replaced by OR dash. Then H and OH convert into H2. I am taking the best example when acetic acid treated with methyl alcohol in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to give methyl acetate. Acetate means CH3CO. Methyl acetate byproduct is water. It is a reversible reaction. But instead of methyl alcohol, we are using ethyl alcohol. If we are using ethyl alcohol, ethyl acetate comes. Ethyl acetate. Explain esterification reaction. You have to write general equation, then you have to give example. Any carbonic acid react with any alcohol in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to give ester. This is called as esterification reaction. Best example, when acetic acid treated with methyl alcohol in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to give some methyl acetate. But remember it one point, but methyl alcohol is always react with salicylic acid to give some methyl salicylate. But any carbonic acid react with any alcohol, but salicylic acid react with only methyl alcohol, not other alcohol. Hence, instead of acetic, if you are reading salicylic acid react with methyl alcohol, product is methyl salicylate. But salicylic acid do not react with ethyl alcohol. What is esterification reaction? When any carbonic acid react with any alcohol in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to give ester. Best example in exam, you take when acetic acid react with methyl alcohol in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to give methyl acetate. But instead of methanol, you have to take ethyl alcohol also. If you have taken ethyl alcohol, byproduct ethyl acetate. The question is reverse: how to convert acetic acid into methyl acetate, and how to convert acetic acid into ethyl acetate? Here, instead of CH3OH, you have to use ethyl alcohol.